I don't see the camera.
Look, so help me. I've already sent pictures. I can send you more pictures. I sent more pictures just now this morning to the seller already. I've already done this several times. Good morning, everybody. Day 3. Vlogmas. I'm exhausted. I don't know why I like sleeping with the hat on. I felt warm. It's super early. I gotta get up so I can go to work. And he wants pictures of how I used this device, thinking apparently I don't know how to use an adapter, because most people don't know that you need to close the door to the camera and then plug it in to use the built-in hole in the camera door, the battery door. So now I have to get up and send him pictures before I go to work.
I don't see the camera.
Look, so help me. I've already sent pictures. I can send you more pictures. I sent more pictures just now this morning to the seller already. I've already done this several times.
We want you to send us a picture of the camera that has been broke.
Because I know I sent pictures of the camera with the adapter and the battery and it not working, because the issue that I was having before was that it did not work.
I see. I would suggest you to go and coordinate with them.
Okay, sir, I bought that camera earlier in 2018. There's nothing that they can do, because there was nothing that was wrong with the camera when I originally purchased it from them. There is no way for me to return the camera to them. That's not the issue. Where I bought the camera from is not the problem, nor has it ever been a problem. As I was speaking to the other supervisors before, I have only stated that my camera worked fine until this device was used properly according to the instructions, and then it broke my camera. So even if I bought this camera, from Amazon,
but we're only responsible for the adapter itself, since you bought that from Amazon. But with regards for the camera, I wish to ask an apology. I'm afraid to say that we have nothing to do about it. We're only responsible for the adapter.
Sir, I am not asking Amazon to ship me a brand new camera. That has never been my request. The request was, and the instructions that was originally stated from the first supervisor, the first lead that handled this issue, was that Amazon would reach out to the manufacturer, as was stated yesterday as well by the other supervisor, that Amazon would reach out to the manufacturer to get them to replace it, since it is their device that broke the camera. I'm not asking Amazon to send me a new camera. You're not doing anything. It's a waste of time talking to you. I'm done. Son of a... I am so beyond pissed right now. I am so beyond pissed right now. I can't even... I'm so pissed right now. You know what's been so crazy about this whole thing is the fact that this morning got me completely off track for how I typically start my days. It completely threw off my morning. Not my morning, but just like that initial first part or whatever. simply because I just lost track of gratitude. I lost track of the fact that I have 2 other cameras on top of the little Canon point and shoot that's still, even after all these years, practically brand new. And it just got me so off track, and I just wanted to take some time and reflect on some gratitude, regardless as to what's going on, you know. And then, you know what the funny thing was? It's still going to take time, regardless. Knowing that, even knowing that beforehand, that one supervisor just really ticked me off, and I flipped. I'm not even going to lie, I flipped.